All right. So in this training, we are going to use canned messages for client CRM, right? So canned messages are basically what we call global templates in our software, right? So in the second tab of the icon, so if you click on client CRM in the bottom right icon, in this, if you scroll to the second tab, right? So you'll be able to see templates. Now, these are basically templates that you can save inside our software. Now, remember, all the data is completely stored in our cloud server, right? So you don't need to worry about losing these data. You can log off, log back in another computer, in another country, in another place. All the data will still be there, right? Because it doesn't save in your local computer. It saves in our secure cloud storage, and we have some secure servers with Amazon AWS, right? So rest assured, all these data are completely safe. Now, now what you want is you want to save all your scripts, right? So you might have some scripts that you are already sending out to leads and prospect and conversations and transitioning them into bookings, right? Now, what you want is you want to save them all here, right? Because you don't need to be saving them in a Google Doc. You don't need to be saving them in OneNote or any other applications and copy and paste because that's a pain in the butt, right? So you want to save them all here. And the way to do that is there's two ways, actually. So right here in your conversations, under the second tab, you can see type template name, right? So you can start a template. Let's say, for example, this is a template for outreach. You click add, and you can see that this template has now just been added. So think of this as a group, right? So a group name, and you just named it outreach. And underneath outreach, if you click on outreach, you'll be able to set up your messages, right? So, for example, hey, and you can actually use merge fields. So right here, hashtag name, hashtag, and this will automatically replace with their name. Awesome to connect. For example, are you hitting your goals this week? Right. Just for example, if you add, all right. So now there is a new message under our outreach group template, which we have just created, right? So you can keep adding more messages. So this could just be yo, yo, are you there? Right. All right. So you can see these are messages that has just been added. And all you need is to click a button and boom, right? This automatically replaces with their first name, and it will copy the pretty much the entire message into your conversations. And all you need to do is to click send, right? That's all you need to do, right? And you can see if we click on this, and boom, are you there? You can click send as well, right? So very, very easy to do. Now, another way to manage this and create all your template and see all your templates in one place is to go into the main dashboard. So to access the main dashboard, you just need to select the icon on the very top. So with the little C, so click on home, and you want to scroll to where it says global templates, right? So right here, you'll be able to see at a glance all your templates that you have stored in the software. And you'll be able to add more. You'll be able to come here to edit any of your templates. And what's cool is you can actually add an image as well, right? So right here, you'll be able to add an image. Let's say, for example, I want to add this image. Right. So you are able to save templates, images as templates, right? So that you don't need to do that over and over and over again, right? So this is a rather large file, but you get the point. You'll be able to save all your messages, manage all your messages, edit any of your messages um, in both the dashboard and as well as in your messenger right here. And in your messenger, under your messenger, you won't be able to save images, but you'll be able to do that inside your main dashboard. So anyway, I will see you in the next training, and where we'll go through the rest of the menus, including notifications, including additional details to be saved in the software, and also syncing your details directly to high level, as well as setting up your messages to follow up and broadcast to all your friends list. Right. I'll see you in the next training.